In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Heroes of Might and Magic Olden Era game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and once you are taken into your homepage, click on the search box and then type in Heroes of Might and Magic Olden Era to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it and you will end up within the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred bundle or edition. Since the game is still in early access, you may occasionally run into bugs. Now click on View My Cart in order to continue towards your payment. You can then use your Steam Wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Just fill up your credentials followed by your billing information. You may also save this information for later use by clicking on the checkbox. As soon as you have completed your transaction, the game will be added to your library. And now you can choose your install location to begin the download and installation of the game. Just wait until the process is completed, and once it is done, you may start enjoying the Heroes of Might and Magic Olden Era game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Heroes of Might and Magic Olden Era. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.